In this video, we'll show you how to use your circulation promoter with the accessory pads. To begin, remove the pain therapy control unit from the base, turn it over, and install two AAA alkaline batteries. Please note that these are not included with the system. Open the bag that contains the foot relief pads. The instruction manual is included inside the bag. These are not insoles and should never be placed inside shoes. Plug the yellow lead wire from the foot relief pads into the top of the pain therapy control unit. Slowly turn the intensity dial clockwise until it clicks on. Then very slowly continue to turn up the dial to increase intensity to the desired comfort level. Press the mode button to change the type of stimulation. Press the time button to select 10, 20, or 40 minutes of treatment time. The water spray bottle can be filled with tap water. No special water is needed. Place the two foot relief pads onto the floor. Be sure they are not touching each other. For best results, place on a hard surface and do not use on carpet. Spray the foot relief pads with water and spray the bottom of bare feet prior to placing feet on the pads. Place both feet on the foot relief pads. To use the system with accessory gel pads, open the bag that contains the instruction manual, instructional DVD, and pad placement chart inside. Depending on your desired treatment area, consult the chart for which type of pad to use and where to best place the pads for optimal relief. Locate the gel pad wires and open the package. Plug the yellow end into the top of the pain therapy control unit. If your control unit is attached to the base plate, you will need to disconnect the base plate wire first. You can see that the gel pad wires have two plugs for either the small or large gel pads. For the small pads, remove them from the packaging and attach the wire leads from the control unit to the gel pads. Remove the clear protective film from the pads. Keep and reapply when done. Slowly turn the intensity dial clockwise until it clicks on. Then very slowly continue to turn up the dial to increase intensity to the desired comfort level. As with the foot pads, you can press mode or time to change the modality or length of treatment. Treatment is the same if using the large Flextone pads. Remove them from the packaging and attach the wire leads from the control unit to the gel pads. Again, if your control unit is attached to the base plate or to the small pads, you will need to disconnect the wires first. Spray pads with water and place on the area to be treated. You must have two electrodes on the same muscle to feel any stimulation.